हे गाइस, मेरा नाम है इंदर।
हाय गाइस, मैं हूँ श्वेता
और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल में। तो अभी हम वीडियो करने वाले हैं इनसेन कराची स्ट्रीट फूड हंट। आइए देखते हैं।
फूड भूख लग जाएगी।
Good evening from the chaos of Burns Road here in Karachi, Pakistan. Ever since I set foot in this city, every single local has been telling me to come to this road and to taste the Pakistani food. So I'm here, I'm hungry, and let's get it. The first stop tonight is this legendary spot called Waheed's. It's been on the go since 1950 apparently. So let's head in and see what they're offering. Assalamu alaikum. One, what can I say? Here, okay. I'm very well, how are you? Good, good. Okay, I sit over in the corner. And here is the menu, getting blown away from this fan. I'm going to go for the beef fry.
Beef fry.
For one beef fry, please. Beef kebab fry? Okay. What do you recommend? Okay. Perfect. Thank you, sir. Wow.
फ्राई होता है ना?
Okay, here we go with the beef fry kebab in this bowl. Wow, look
अच्छा,
at
अंदर
that.
रहेगा।
And also the naan bread.
रेड देखना।
Super crispy, very,
Naan
very
type.
hot indeed. So this restaurant is actually famous for two dishes. This is the first one, the beef fry kebab, and the second one is nahari. I've already tried nahari in a separate video, so that is the reason I'm not having it right now. I've got onion and mint on the side. I'm going to add some of that in. Presume that's how you do it. And I've also got a little dipping sauce here. Again, that's like a mint chutney, I believe. Definitely smells minty. Wow, the consistency of this is not what I was expecting when I ordered a beef fry kebab. Usually for me a kebab is like a long piece of meat on a skewer, but this is like a meaty soup. Let's go for it, first bite. Wow, oh my god, that's so good. The flavour is like so intense, like really, really rich. The texture is like, if you're from Scotland, like mince and patties at home. This is like the mince. It's not spicy at all. I want to eat a lot of different things from a lot of different places in this video, so I really need to be careful about how much I eat. But the issue is, when you get something this good, you obviously want to finish it. So in here must be like a beef kebab chopped up really, really fine until it's basically like mince. Spices and all sorts to make it
कबाब एक्चुअली वैसे ही आते हैं ना।
unreal, man, unreal. Well, let's try
थोड़ा
this
यूनिक लगा
mint
इधर।
sauce on the side. Not too sure.
Actually, chutney
When you
mix
try it,
करके
I'm
खाएगा
going to
तो
dip
आप
some of
बताएं।
the naan bread in here and then go into the sauce.
अब कर रहे हैं।
Adds a nice freshness to the dish. The food so far in Karachi, out of this world.
लोकल रेस्टोरेंट है ना वैसे।
I'm scoring this one
Famous है ना
obviously 10 out of 10. So good. Alright, thank you. 702 rupees. Thank you. 702 well spent. Hello. This is chapati. The chapati man. Let's see how he does this one.
चपाती नान।
How long does it take? Hello. Look at that. Puffs up so fast. Done. It's like an Italian with a pizza. Wow, so quick. And this man over here is taking the dough from here, rolls it into a ball, and passes it to this man over here. Hello. Okay, Waheed's 10 out of 10. So good.
सब actually खाने के लिए गाड़ी
So this is me now on the main road, but it's not pedestrianised, obviously, as you can see. It's pretty busy with traffic, but all along this road we've got multiple food stalls. This one is
कबाब भी दिख रहे
Fish
हैं।
and fish.
this one obviously is a fish stall. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Are you okay? What are you selling here?
गोलगप्पे पानी पूरी।
Golgappa, oh, pani puri. Pani puri. Ah, okay, very good. Maybe I keep walking, but maybe I come back After. I'm just exploring first. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Pani Puri or Golgappa, as they call it in Mumbai, also Pakistan, sometimes can be a little bit funny on the stomach depending on what water they use. So I'm not risking it. I'm going to avoid it tonight. A very quick pause in the video to say thank you to today's video sponsor, which is Quillbot. If you're anything like me, you probably hate answering and writing out work emails, but thankfully Quillbot makes them very easy. Their Chrome extension checks my grammar, helps me sound professional, lets me use speech to text, and more. Ever since I installed Quillbot, my inbox has been honestly so easy to manage. And the best news is you can install Quillbot for free today by using the link in the description. Okay, back to the video. So the majority of places here aren't actually restaurants. Most of them, oh my god, that guy just reversed his leg. Reversed his leg into my bike, reversed his bike into my leg. Most of the places are actually like shops at the side of the road, and then actual chairs on the side of the road. It's actually quite good. Hello! Salam alaikum! Wow, I can't crash it. Salam! Salam alaikum! How are you? You okay? Very well, very well.
What do you do?
I'm walking up here. I want to eat. Hey, my boy! For me? Thank you, man. What is this? What is this? It's like, I taste it.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What is that? Like, what's your back?
Juice.
Very good, very good.
Drink.
Way more. What's in it? I don't know.
What is your channel name?
Hugh abroad. Oh, we've got the light on my face. Oh my god, we're vlogging. Scotland.
Scotland?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Very good. Okay, loved it.
I subscribe, okay?
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. For me? Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Just got a free drink on the side of the road here. Okay, moving on. I'm on a mission to find a bun kebab. I've heard bun kebabs here are pretty famous, and this is the place to get them. So, on maps, the good spot just up here. When I was growing up, I was told never take sweets or drinks from strangers on the street. But thankfully, I've grown up now, so it's fine to accept street drinks. There's a hair in that. Very, very sweet. A little bit citrusy. I believe there's some mint in here as well. But it's good. It's delicious. Scoring that one 8 out of 10. Right. I have spotted a lot of men eating food in there, so let's go check it out. This could be the bun kebab. This is bun kebab?
Yeah, that is kebab.
Perfect.
Where are you from?
Scotland.
Scotland.
Yes.
Okay, where's your team?
Rangers.
Rangers.
You know?
No, I don't know about that.
You like football?
Yes.
Who's your team?
My team?
Yeah.
Here's my team. Only just 1%.
Oh, you mean my football team or my team I'm travelling with?
Okay, I don't know about the football.
Oh, okay.
I just thought that your YouTube name is Avengers.
Oh, okay, perfect. Okay. Nice to meet you. I'm very well. Harry. Yeah?
I'm a businessman.
Nice to meet you. You're both from Karachi?
Yeah, I'm from.
Yeah, you're on, man.
Yeah.
Smile. Yeah, your hair looks good. Okay, so how do I order one here? I just say I want one.
Established from 1952.
Yeah, old school.
Yeah.
Okay, and they just do one thing.
Only just one thing.
Okay, it must be good.
That is, that bun, okay, soft bread, and that's the kebab.
This is like this is egg.
No, this one. Yes, coating of the egg.
Oh, okay.
And that is kebab, There's a pulse kebab.
Okay, perfect. I look forward to trying.
Thank you
so much. All the best. So this is it right here. I believe this is like an egg patty. Assalamu alaikum. Egg patties like here. And then they put it in the soft bun. I have one, please. Thank you. This is a busy stall. Look, people are crowding around here. Perfect. Shukriya. Look at this. Right, here we go. Right on the side of all the rolls with the egg bun. Egg kebab. Oh, it's so hot, but it's good. Oh yeah. That's delicious. That bun is like really, really soft inside, and the outside has been fried. So it's really crispy.
मजा आ रहा है यार खाने का।
So simple. That chutney he's put on,
Tell me your YouTube channel name.
I can put it into your phone.
I'm gonna search it.
Okay, perfect. Oh, this is amazing.
It's amazing. It's
So good.
spicy. It's aroma. It's spicy and onion.
It's so simple.
Yeah, simple.
Yeah, the onion adds a very nice crunch.
Tell me your.
H-U-G-H. Yeah.
Okay, I brought
Two channels.
2 channels.
Yeah, short one and then big one. It's all like soaked in the chutney now, so the whole thing
बस
is.
फ्लेवर आएगा।
Thank you.
Alright, good to meet you. Oh, so good. Scoring this one. Also, 10 out of 10. I'm getting sick and tired of this delicious food in this city. Shukriya. It was amazing. So good. How much is one? I'll pay. Okay, thank you. Very kind. Thank you.
Okay, nice.
Well, and I want to show you the eggs being fried here. So this is the egg batter.
Wow.
So he's taking that out with his hand, putting
वो
it onto
शायद
the
वो
oil
एक
there.
साइड कटी रह गया ना
Like
हाँ
अंदर
foamy
कुछ है
egg.
मसाला टाइप
Must have
और
whisked
ऊपर पूरा
that so
कोटिंग
much.
एग का है।
It's one of the most simplest dishes I've ever had, but one of the tastiest. Once again, hospitality in this city and this country, unbelievable. Would not let me pay. I will put his location in the description of this video below, so go and support that vendor. Oh, look at these whole chickens
Wow.
being grilled on these sticks around the flames. That is insane. Must be like 20 chickens right here. There is just stacks of restaurants left and right of this street.
मस्त
Look
है
at the walls,
पूरा एरिया खाने
flames
पीने
over
के
there.
लिए।
And then this restaurant
ये
is doing
कबाब
the
से
same
ये
with
भी
the
चिकन
chicken around the flames. Must be a famous dish. Let's go over here and look at the menu. Up there, chicken saji, BBQ Lahori steam sharga. Look at the chicken here, all marinating.
ये कबाब वाली फीलिंग आई ना
Oh, the
मुझे
heat,
Yeah, you
unbelievable.
have
Oh, I'm okay. Thank you, I'm okay. And this guy and these guys have just had a power cut. What is the? I'm good. How are you? What is the famous dish here?
There's saji and katagat.
Saji, chicken saji. You can do very small portion,
There's a half piece.
half piece. You can do quarter. No, not possible. Half a chicken. It's too much for me. I want to taste many things. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I really want to try that, but I'll end up wasting it because I
छोटा
cannot
तो नहीं
eat
मिलेगा
chicken
ना।
right now. So I'm already 2 main courses down. Hopefully someone
आप तो
else
खाई
can
तो
do
पाएगा, हाफ खा लिया
a
फिर और
smaller
कुछ खा नहीं
portion.
पाएगा।
This guy's got an old-fashioned
candy
candy
floss.
floss machine. Look at that. He's doing it by hand, turning it here. The wheel goes round. That pulls a string, and then in here
लाइट मस्त है पिंक कलर
on
में
the candy floss. Look, he had made.
ये सेम लाइट
Salam alaikum on the stick there. Look, that is insane. He puts it into the bag and sells it on this cart. Look, he just pushes the cart, 4 wheels down there. He's got a gas cylinder here and then 3 lights on top. Amazing. Okay, after I come back, maybe I'll try after. Thank you. Okay, right now I'm in the mood for some chai. I'm looking for a little chai wala around this place, but can't bloody find one. Keep on searching. So there's been a power cut on the street and half the vendors have lost their lights and power to make their food.
Okay.
Oh, chai, there we go. But he has no power. Hopefully he's got a roasting hot pot ready to go. Here we go. Chai ska pastry. Assalamu alaikum. This is chai. Chai, egg chai. Thank you. And they put it in this little clay pot.
Puller में
Let's see in here. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. How are you? So he's making me a personalised chai. In this pot so far we've got some milk. A little bit of sugar, yeah. Perfect. This is the pot of sugar in there. And this is the tea powder. Now it's giving a star, look at that. Oh, look at that, he's literally burning that cup. It's incredible how long one glass of chai takes. This is like 4 or 5 minutes now.
फ्रेंच बना के दे रहा है कि हमारे कस्टमर
Serve is in place.
देखो बना के नहीं रखी स्टॉक में
And the little boy steps up with a napkin around there
Nice.
and an elastic band. Perfect. Shukriya.
चटकाना लगे
खाना
ताकि
लगे अच्छा अच्छा
अच्छा है
टेक्निक था
130
130. There's 150. 150. It's okay.
41 rupees
Okay, here we go. Wow,
Sweet.
incredibly hot. I need to wait, otherwise
पूरा
I'll
दूध
burn my
का
mouth.
ही
It's
बनाया हुआ है
guaranteed.
ना
When it smells, wow, it's so hot, man. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna wait a few minutes.
हाँ चटका लगेगा नहीं तुम पे
Few minutes later.
Right, second attempt at drinking this. Oh, always so good. Honestly, barely ever get one that I'm disappointed with. Actually not too sweet, because I said a little bit of sugar. Usually they're a lot sweeter than that. But it's the same taste, as always. A little bit spicy with masala, very creamy, loads of milk in there. It's honestly the best drink in South Asia. Oh, love it so much. 2 or 3 a day, every day.
दो तीन तो चाहिए दिन में
And
चाय
drinking
आराम
one of
से
these
minimum
little clay cups doesn't get any more authentic than this. Huge fan. Right, I am back to where I started, and this has piqued my interest. Assalamu alaikum.
fish
Oh,
fish
this
fish
is fish. Okay. Is it like per piece, or how does it work? Okay, okay, one piece. Okay, thank you. That goes, this is already like been cooked, and then it goes back in the oil to recook it. Got a great sound, but
गरम कर रहा
how's the
हूँ
oil looking? Good. He's doing it for the camera. Okay, then we've got the raw fish that's sitting out over here. Look at that. Nice
मसाला
and
मैरिनेट
slices.
करके रखा हुआ है
Moves to here, then goes
ये तो
into
वेजिटेरियन है मैं तो
the
खाता हूँ सब
Okay, yeah, salt bay for this.
yeah चाट मसाला
Seasoning. What is this?
तो सबके साथ सलाद दे
Perfect. Shukriya. Okay. Well, we'll pay now. Good now.
oh
Okay, thank you so much.
Nice,
Very
nice.
generous. Okay. Look at this. Looks tremendous. Okay, here we go. This is it, fish fry. Okay. Let's dip it in the chutney here. Wow,
Okay,
it's
kaka na
no
wanda.
surprise out the fryer. Oh yeah. Really good.
काटे नहीं लगता
A little bit spicy.
लोग में करके रखा होगा
Really,
ना
really crispy. Look at that. Really nice layer of batter. That's coriander. Coriander chutney. Yeah, really nice. A little bit of mint through there as well. It's a white fish inside. Ah, delicious. Rate that one 9 out of 10. A little bit too salty, but overall, big fan. Thank you. Okay, I promised I'd come back to this guy. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. How are you? Okay? How much for the candy floss? How much?
4 by
How much? In rupee? 100. Okay.
ओह
There we go.
वो बोला उसने
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. And I'll give it to you. You want? Okay. Shukriya. Okay, enjoy. Okay, bye-bye. That's my good deed of the video done. I promised to come back to that guy. I don't really like candy floss, so I thought I'd give that away. Right, moving on. I'm sort of in the mood now for something sweet.
sweet
I might do something savoury, just one more thing, but we'll keep on moving up this street and
What
keep
is the
exploring.
sweet dish
There we
now?
go, gone. It's good. Stuffing it in our face.
yeah.
Okay, decision has been made, and I am going for something sweet. This place is an iconic place here
Okay.
on Burns Road. So
आइसक्रीम
let's check it out. Assalamu alaikum.
nice nice
Right, here we go. Here's the menu, which is not very useful for me. All in local language. Let's have a little look around just to see what they're selling here. I've heard you have good ice cream here. good ice cream.
इधर लिखा है ना इंग्लिश में
Rabri. Oh,
Bounty.
this one. The Bounty, Pista ice cream, Tutti Frutti, Rabri ice
Rabri.
cream. Okay, and this is being served in here, right? These guys are obviously sitting in. Oh, very good. What flavor? Okay, Rabri Kulfi. Okay, maybe that's what I should order. And over here you've got special Kier Rabri, Pista Rabri. Okay, I'm going to get the best seller. I order here or here? Yeah, I'll order that. Okay. You must pay over here. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. I'd like one of the best seller. Yeah? Okay, one.
Where are you from?
Scotland. Okay, first time in Karachi. It's very good, I like it.
Pakistan and Karachi.
Yeah?
Welcome to Pakistan and also Karachi.
Thank you. How much? Order the one.
So complimentary.
Okay,
nice.
okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Very happy.
Okay, I will shout out your shop on my channel. Okay,
You're YouTuber.
YouTube, yeah. It's a
Which name?
Shoe Abroad. Shoe, H-U-G-H. Oh, it's a very old shop, 64.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow.
1964 nice
Very fast.
Please type this.
Thank you so much.
Type your YouTube channel.
Okay, perfect. There you go. Thank you so much. Okay, I can sit in over there. I can sit in.
yeah.
Okay, thank you. Ah, perfect. VIP section. Thank you. Oh, lovely. Air conditioning over here. Look at this. The Rabri. Right here we go with the Rabri. Wow, this looks incredible.
Gaadi lag rahi hai,
Look
big
at this. I believe this is thickened milk. Loads of sugar, bit of cardamom, bit of saffron, but the texture is unbelievable. Look, very stringy.
भूख लग रही है देख देख के
I had this once before in Kolkata and it was dynamite. This is their best seller. Let's give it a go. No, it's unreal. I could tell that guy behind me was waiting for the approval. Oh, it's delicious.
भूख लग रही है देख देख के यार एक्चुअली अच्छा है
It's so
एक्चुअली देख के भी समझ में आ रहा था कि काफी अच्छा
stringy
है
bars.
काफी अच्छी है गाड़ी है गाड़ी
Really, really nice. And not too sweet. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet.
वो आइसक्रीम ऐसे ही मजा आता
This is
है
a lot
ओवर
different
स्वीट
to
हो
what
गया
I
तो
had
इतना नहीं जाएगा
Kolkata was
जा नहीं
very, very
पाएगा
smooth and creamy. This one's like, yeah, a lot stringier and chewier. The taste is very similar though. Oh, I'm scoring this 9 out of 10.
मजा आएगा रे खाने को बहुत मजा आएगा
Thank you. Shukriya. Man, service in these places, they look after you big time.
तो क्वांटिटी भी अच्छा है एक खाया और पेट भर जाएगा पूरा एकदम
I feel so welcome. Like, they genuinely want me to be here. They want foreigners to explore their country. It's the only country I've ever been to where I've had that feeling. Oh, that was so good, but for some reason it has tipped me over the edge. I am unbelievably full after that Rabri. So for that reason, I'm going to end the video there. Hope you enjoyed this one. I've got loads more content coming up from Karachi and also the rest of Pakistan, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Good evening from the KO.
वो बहुत मस्त यार गाइस ऐसे रॉ वीडियोस और बताओ कि ऐसे होता है हम लोग ऐसे
अब मुझे वेजिटेरियन फूड देखना है
वो थोड़ा मुश्किल है
हाँ
होएगा ऑफ कोर्स पर इतने ऑप्शंस नहीं होंगे
इतने नहीं होंगे बट थोड़े बहुत तो देखने चाहिए ना
पर यस एक्चुअली मैं तो खाता हूँ सब कुछ तो मेरे को तो
बहुत।
मजा आएगा देख के तो गाइस ऐसे हमको एक्चुअली ऐसे और
मैं
भी
तो
एकदम रॉ
भूखी रह जाऊंगी
नहीं ऐसे वेजिटेरियन भी है अभी पानी पूरी थोड़ी वेजिटेरियन हो गया रबड़ी भी वेजिटेरियन हो गया देयर आर खाने में भी तो वेजिटेरियन मिल जाएगा ऐसे नहीं
बहुत अच्छा लगा
मेजरली इज नॉन वेज हम लोग के लिए मजा है जो नॉन वेज खाता होता पर एक्चुअल में ऐसे हमको रॉ वीडियोस देखने जो ऐसे पूरा स्ट्रीट दिखा रहे एक्चुअल रॉ पाकिस्तान दिखाया ना हमको देखना ये देख के एक्चुअली काफी मजा है बहुत अच्छा व्लॉग बनाया बंदे ने
और बहुत और इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे लोगों ने पैसे भी नहीं लिए ना तो वो भी अच्छा लगा मेरे को
वो खाना पाओ पाव वाला
अंडा वाला ना
अरे बहुत टेस्टी लग रहा था यार वो देख के
वही बोला ना इट्स वेरी सिंपल बट इट्स टू टेस्टी
इट्स वेरी
टेस्टी
पर मजा आया ऊपर से स्टार्टिंग वाला कबाब वाला भी देखा वो अलग ही था एकदम वो जो रोटी के साथ खाया वो भी बहुत टेस्टी लग रहा था गाइस ऐसे ही और वीडियोस बताएं हमें कमेंट कीजिए
तो बस हमारी चैनल देखते रहना और लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर भी करते रहना तब तक के लिए टेक केयर
बाय बाय